Okay, I finally completed this renovation. We ripped out the old tile. We've installed 12-inch porcelain tile with an accent tile. We divided it up into two rooms, which is this small bathroom. And I did the trim work. She wanted the fancy trim block, so I trimmed it out for her. We did, of course, the wooden floors, the hardwood, throughout the house. The dining room area. I trimmed this out as well. Now for the railing for the staircase, we actually undercut the stairs, which allowed the flooring to slide underneath to give it a professional look. The same here. It's the only way to go when you want a very finished and clean look, is to undercut those stationary items. This is a little utility closet here. On the fireplace, I did the same thing. I cut my brick so that my flooring would slide underneath it to give it a professional finished look. I've got my end cap at the sliding patio door. Anyway, thanks guys for tuning in to my video. I hope you like what you've seen. I hope I've given you some ideas. This is a tile job that I had done previously. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy what you see, and I look forward to having you comment. Thank you.